Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video demo on utilizing appropriate product substitute for out-of-stock liquor ingredients. In this lesson, we will learn how to find suitable alternatives when certain liquor ingredients are not available. This skill is essential for bartenders and mixologists to ensure the continuity of their cocktail recipes. So, let's get started. Understanding the importance of product substitutes. Before we dive into finding substitutes, let's understand why it's important to have product substitutes. Sometimes, certain liquor ingredients may not be available due to various reasons such as supply chain issues or sensational unavailability. In such cases, having knowledge of suitable substitutes can save the day and ensure that your cocktail still stays amazing. Identifying suitable substitutes. To identify suitable substitute, we need to consider two factors: flavor profile and compatibility. Let's start with the flavor profile. Each liquor ingredient has its unique flavor profile, which can be categorized into different taste profiles such as sweet, sour, bitter, and aromatic. When looking for a substitute, we need to find an ingredient that matches or complements the missing flavor profile. Now, let's talk about compatibility. Some ingredients may have similar flavor but differ in terms of alcohol content or texture. It's important to consider these factors to ensure the substitute works well in the cocktail recipe. Example of product substitute. Let's look at few examples of product substitute for out-of-stock liquor ingredients. If you run out of bourbon, a suitable substitute could be rum, whiskey, or even a smoky scotch. These alternatives have similar flavor profiles and can be used in cocktails like Old Fashioned or Manhattan. In case you don't have triple sec, you can use orange, liqueur, or even a combination of fresh orange juice and simple syrup. This substitute will provide the same citrusy sweetness in cocktails like margarita or cosmopolitan. When dry vermouth is not available, you can use white wine or even apple cider vinegar mixed with a touch of sugar. These alternatives will add a necessary acidity and complexity to cocktails like martini or Negroni. And there you have it. By having understanding flavor profiles, compatibility, and having a few substitute options in mind, you can confidently tackle any out-of-stock liquor ingredient situation. Remember, creativity and experimentation are key in mixology. So don't be afraid to try new combinations and discover unique flavors. Thank you for watching this video demo on utilizing appropriate product substitute for out-of-stock liquor ingredients. Cheers to your mixology skills. See you in the next lesson.